Hello, my name is Yotam.
Hi, I'm Vikram and Yotam, and we'll be performing a chemical synthesis reaction from experiment 1.5 of Late Night Labs. To start off the experiment, we take a balance from the instrument shelf of Late Night Labs and place it on the workspace. We then place a crucible on it and weigh the mass of the crucible. The mass of the crucible was weighed as 88.000 grams. Inside the crucible, we put 5 grams of magnesium and weigh it. The resultant change in mass is 93 grams. We place the crucible and magnesium on a Bunsen burner, which we take out from the instrument section of Late Night Lab shelf. We turn the dial up once to low flame and let the crucible heat for a minute. So after about a minute, we take the crucible off the burner and let it cool down. We dispose the crucible inside the recycle bin. So the crucible isn't cooling down for a minute. We now place it on the balance and weigh it. We notice that there's been a change in mass of the contents of the crucible. It has risen from 93 grams to 96.289 grams, which suggests that a chemical reaction has taken place. The details of this chemical reaction are given in the next segment.
Here we see an example of chemical synthesis reaction. A synthesis chemical reaction is a reaction in which two or more elements are combined to form a product. For example, here we see iron and sulfur combined into iron sulfide. What happened in our specific experiment today is that we took magnesium, applied heat, and with heat the magnesium reacted with the oxygen in the air to form magnesium oxide. How can we tell that this is exactly what happened? We measured and seen that in the beginning we had 5 grams in the crucible, and in the end of the experiment, after we applied heat and let it cool, we had 8.269 grams of compound inside the crucible. From here we see there's an excess mass of 3.269. We know that 5 grams of magnesium are 0.2 moles of magnesium, and 3.269, the excess mass, is exactly 0.1 moles of oxygen, O2. Thus, the following equation occurred. Two molecules of magnesium reacted with each molecule of O2 in the air, O2 oxygen gas in the air, and formed with heat magnesium oxide, 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. We have proven this here.